Oh boy, it's that time of day again.
Okay guys, we are doing the brakes now. We got our rotors and pads, we got our beverages, we got our jack stands. We just need to find a jack and then we're good. And this is my boy. He's helping me both with equipment and knowledge because I have no clue what the hell I'm doing. And this will probably be my first change on this car. And then the next one up is my lights. Now, we took this light out. As you can see here, one of the xenon globes is completely cracked at one point. I think it's just like around here. There's like a little crack there. And so it's cracked and the inside has been all oxygenized or whatever it's called. But yeah, this is a legitimate xenon globe. They didn't replace them like they're meant to get it passed in Australia, so it looks like I'm going back to xenon globes now. Because yeah, I'm not going to cheap out on getting standard H1s or whatever. What do you do?
No, it's just off the jacket point. It's just sinking into the jacket point.
Shit, that didn't sound good.
No, that was just this scraping. And it was just the jacking point too. It's not even on that.
Oh yeah, I see
So
that.
it's just it's just gonna slide down onto
I
it.
just hope it doesn't bend. Ooh. Damn, look at that. Okay, there we go.
Fucking shit.
Oh, is there like a little thing back there to get the thing out?
You wanna turn your steering wheel to the left, please?
Left a bit.
Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Yeah, it's all the way.
Thank you. Oh, well, there we go. Oh, fuck.
Jesus Christ. It looked pretty bad. I
Hey?
like that. It looked pretty good.
Well, they're the right size, so it's fine.
Yeah. Caliper. Oh, and the pads.
Yes.
Here's the front. Oh, so you don't have the tool
I don't
for
have
the
the tool
piston?
for it.
Okay. And then you use that thing to push it.
Yeah.
And then when I pump the brakes, it'll go back to where it needs to go.
Yeah.
Gee, I'm learning.
Yep.
Perfecto.
That's one side.
So guys, the front brakes are in. Just got to do the rear ones next, and I still got to track down those xenon lights. So it looks like I'm down another $200 and something, which is kind of a shame. Looks like I've spent roughly about $800, $900 on my car now, which is not ideal, but oh well, life's life. Just got to deal with it.
Bedding in brakes is.
Okay, so guys, now we're going to do a few brake tests, but we've got it all set up so the front brakes should be minty. Plus, don't mind me, I brake hard anyway.
No, you don't.
Well, I mean, I tried to avoid it, but
The only
yeah.
time I've seen you brake hard is when you almost missed your turn.
Yeah, pretty much. Oh, you're on my cable again, dude.
I don't give a shit.
They're like my cable warmer.
And pump it till it's real firm, then you're definitely not.
It's pretty fun.
Yeah, so then you should be safe.
Okay, cool. We're sweet.
And do a semi-hard brake. So just go 60 to 40. Beauty. And then after casual driving, it should bed in too. So,
Yeah,
but after that, done.
I think we're good.
Yeah.
And it's not squealing, so we found the culprit.
Both rotors were pretty shot anyway, so
Yeah, it's fair.
okay. And your pads were fine. It was just the rotors that were causing the noise.
We'll put both of the rotors in the back.
Hey, yeah, both rotors are in there.
Okay.
Now, right now.
3, 2, 1.
Even though we're not on the highway.
absolutely destroyed my eardrums, man.
Sorry.